Welcome to the first annual Jack James High School Feast. There are many reasons that feasts occur. Feasts can be a time to be together in community to honor our departed loved ones, to celebrate an important milestone, to celebrate a birth, a new beginning, or an important ending. Our elders have shared that it is important to acknowledge the land where we gather and the first people who traditionally lived here. It shows respect for people, their contributions, and their ways of knowing, which are reflected through the stories and songs that have lived on this land for thousands of years. We are making this acknowledgement at the beginning of our gathering today to further demonstrate our commitment to work together as a community in laying the foundation for reconciliation through education. We would like to acknowledge the traditional territories and oral practices of the Blackfoot Nations, which include the Siksika, the Piikani, the Kainai. We also acknowledge the Tsuut'ina and Stoney Nakoda First Nations and Métis Region 3 and all people who make their homes in the Treaty 7 region of southern Alberta. Feasts are a time to be together, to share what we have with each other, to be grateful for what we have, to simply be with each other. We've celebrated that we've made it through a particularly difficult year. We would like to offer our heartfelt gratitude to Métis chef Jenny Lessard for her generosity in sharing her teachings with our culinary team. Our students and teachers are so grateful to have learned from Jenny and able to apply this to a wonderful meal they created for us. We would also like to extend our gratitude to you, the students. We know this year has not been ideal, but you all, with your grit and determination, have made it through and given us hope and inspired us to be here each day with you, working alongside you through these difficult times. We are so grateful for the beautiful gift that our culinary students, teachers, and instructor have provided for us. They have provided us sustenance as well as the gift of being together. We are grateful to have this meal to share with you, but most of all, we are grateful for you, your gifts and potentials. In honor of our deeply departed ancestors that we've lost this year, and along with our lives' journeys, Miss Levin graciously prepared a spirit plate for us to begin our feast. This plate was smudged and prayed over. We will leave the plate out in our courtyard by the trees, and it will be taken and burned this evening. We would like to acknowledge and thank you, the NWC Wild Rice Company, a Métis, Dene, and Cree wild rice harvesters of Northwest Saskatchewan, for the generous rice donation for our salad today. We would also like to thank and acknowledge Education Matters for the generous donation of funding to make this meal possible.